a scissor, and the colored paper. There. So the first thing we're gonna do is to get colored paper. It's up to you what color do you want. I'm going to use my light yellow because I already made one and it is color orange. Here it is. There. Yeah. So the first thing we're gonna do is to make a triangle. So make sure that it is the same length. It's going to adjust the camera so you can see it. So you can really see it. There. See it. There. So, and then, sorry for the noise. Then, if you already make it, you're just going to press it. And then, I'm going to fold the remaining rectangle. Make sure it is the same size of fold. Then, after that, you're going to cut the remaining rectangle. And then, make sure that you have a trash can or a garbage plastic or just a plastic on your side so your parents will not be mad at you. And then, make sure you didn't have some extra. So you make our square. This is a square, right? And then you're going to fold it into triangle again, and then on this side a triangle again. Hold it. And then on a square, we're going to fold it into half. Into half. And then next, into half again. And then if you already fold it into half. On this, it has a lines of a triangle here and a one straight line. So you're going to press this between of this. Then can you see the fold of a triangle? You're just going to fold it. Oops, sorry. Just going to fold it again. But just like this. And then on the other side. So this is a very easy steps how to make a butterfly. So it should be look like this. And then we're going to fold it it. Then we're going to fold it in half. And then after you fold it, we're going to cut a C here. C like this. Like this. Like this. And then I'm going to open it again. And then we're going to fold this one. Then this one. Then the other side. There. It should be look like this. And then next, and then this one, this pointy one, we're going to fold it and put it in here, up into here like this. And then this is the remaining. Then going to make it to fold it like this. If you want to tape it, you can tape it. It's very easy to tape, right? And, oops, sorry. Maybe you can just tape it. It's really hard to do. And then this fold, this one, we're going to fold it. Oops. Sorry. Only this one, not this. Not this one. Only this. And then there you are. There you have it. You have our very own butterfly. So I got here too. So I already made two of my butterfly. Oops. It's going to get a tape. Wait for a minute, please. I'm going to use a stapler. I think it is stronger than a tape. Then, I'm going to tape this in the back. Oops. I think on this time adult supervision is needed. Oops. Then there you have it. Can you see? I'm just going to continue this one. So you can have a more design. You can design it using glitter. You can put design here and here and here. And everywhere you can put here, 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 and here. And then it's If you think it's look like a ribbon, you can make it a ribbon. But this one look like a ribbon. And there you there you have it, guys. So thank you for watching, and I hope it is helpful. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment in the comment box what design do you want me to make. Bye. See you next time.